So today I'm going to show you how to create a logo on Canva, which is very simple and easy, nothing stressful, nothing complicated. So you click on the create, which in here. Then you can see this search bar over here. Just click on it, then type logo. Then it gives you different options of types of logos. Then most times I always say you go for the first one, click on logo, then it brings out a new Canva for you where you have to design the logo. So if you're a beginner that don't really have any knowledge about designing logos, there are templates you can choose from, either paid or free. So let's look for a free one you can use. Okay, let's use chick. Let me try and increase how it looks like. This chick, so you can just change it. Take for let me write king. Chick like king. And that's it. Very simple, very easy to do. Nothing complicated. You just choose from the different templates that Canva has, then you can just tweak it to whatever you want to do, and it's very easy to do. Thank you very much.